O earth, awake from thy slumbers, she cometh to thee o'er the hills, from the chambers of the south wind, from glad reaches of the sea. She hath breathed on brown mosses, and lo, a star shines there. She had touched the gnarled branches, they are pearled and gemmed with buds, and where black bowls strike deeply, a coronal of purple flowers, shy and sweet and incense breathing, leaps to the laugh of the south wind, shakes the warm dew from their cheeks, and sets birds and men dreaming of days gone by and of childhood, shy and sweet and love enchanted. Slumbers, spring cometh to thee. Hearken, O earth, to thy psalmist, spring singeth to thee. From the tawny throats of bird minstrels, muffled and shielded from cold, lest one faintest chord should cipher, or one sweetest melody falter, in her songs and woodly litanies, from the gurgle and murmur of streamlets that spring into laughter and song, through the broken shackles of ice floes and the curved domes of the snows, from the clapping of hands in the woodlands, and the buds leaning o'er to each other, to whisper the glad gratulations, or echo the glad hallelujahs, in symphony soft and majestic, in cadenced and resonant anthems, and wild and unmeasured voluntaries. Listen, O earth, to thy psalmist, spring singeth to thee. Thy priestess, spring cometh to thee. She hath put on the mitre of gladness, and her vestments are weighted with flowers, God's golden embroidery, where her sandaled feet touch the meadows, a print of gold and of saffron lies. Beneath the grasses embedded, crocus and lily and violet, the shy, sweet children of darkness peeped through the brown, moist ridges, careless but living and breathing. The bells of the lilac tremble, and up from the steaming grasses the hyacinth poureth his incense at the feet of his priestess and queen, and she with her solemn worship of prayer and of praise and spices that breathe on the tremulous air grow strong as her king in the heavens widens the arch of his circuit and pours the life from his bosom, till the shy meek maiden of springtime, the gentle sibyl and psalmist who waxes ruddy and brown in the sunshine, and from priestess of birds and of streams grows to the stature of strength and of scorn, disheveled and splashed with the blood of the winepress, the flame-haired Moenad, the wild-eyed Bacchante of summer and fruit and song.